Bad boys are like fried food, unhealthy, yet your sister and mother drool over them. It makes you angry. You can blame hormones for tricking ovulating women into thinking bad boys are sexy. You can blame absent or abusive fathers for their daughters' daddy issues. You can even blame the media for glorifying rebellious characters. Still, it's hard to deny that bad boys have charisma, something you don't see in a nice guy. Nice stands for weak and dull in the women's dictionary, if you haven't noticed. But no big deal. Hopefully, this video will give you some insights into the mind of the female, through the lens of a male. So, here's what they've got that sets them apart. Number 1, they have balls. They're risk-taking, thrill-seeking animals. If a bad boy wants to talk to a girl, he'll get up and walk over despite the nervousness. If he wants her number, he'll make it clear. There's no hiding or beating around the bush with him, and this type of courage excites women very much. Number 2, they couldn't give a rat's ass about what you think of them. For one, it shows confidence to not care about being liked. For 2, women love being around someone with a carefree attitude because they are often neurotic. Finally, they won't compromise for anyone. They are who they are. It's a sign of strength. Number 3, they are unpredictable. You don't know what they'll do. Bad boys don't follow societal rules or succumb to peer pressure, they march to their own beat. The element of surprise intrigues the ladies. On the other end, typical guys are too rigid. It doesn't take long for women to figure them out. Number 4, they're authentic. They don't see the need to exaggerate or pretend. They can live with who they are. If there's anything about nice guys that turn women off, it's that most of them are selfish men in disguise. They are nice because they have an agenda. Or, they're too afraid to show who they are. But with bad boys, girls know what they're dealing with, and they appreciate the realness. Number 5, they're unique. Nice guys are afraid to stand out, and they often end up as just another guy in the crowd. Bad boys have their own style, their own personality, their own beliefs, and their own lives. Original and distinctive. Right away, it wakes up the female brain. Number 6, they are independent. They have pursuits and hobbies, and their lives come before women. It gives them the upper hand because it makes the ladies feel like the ones who need to do the chasing. Also, they're hard to pin down. Females can never have a full grip on a bad boy, and they love that challenge. It's frustrating yet exciting to them. Number 7, they make women feel beautiful. No matter how strong and independent a woman is, she'll always prefer to submit to a man who is more powerful than her. The problem is, those type of men aren't easy to find nowadays. Women need to feel masculine energy from their men to be feminine. Number 8, they have supreme confidence. The most attractive trait in a bad boy is his self-confidence. We tie our confidence to money, status, power, and appearance. Average men will slave for these validations to boost their confidence when the bad boy already has it. Women will test men's confidence with questions and rejections. It's their way of filtering out the phonies from the real deals. Because a man's self-worth is the most important trait in their eyes. No women are interested in men who are less confident than them. Number 9, they don't try too hard. Bad boys have no problem walking away if a woman isn't interested. Their mindset is different. They think someone else is missing out and not them. Rather than being desperate, they know they have plenty of other options. Again, it's another sign of confidence, and it makes women curious, wondering where their self-belief comes from. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.